Hello viewers and welcome back. Today I got here my very own all new 2022 CB500X. Let's get it out of the crate and put it together. Here we go. Just like that, it's out of the crate. All I really gotta do now is put on the wind deflector, mirrors, hook up the battery, and double check the oil. Let's get to it. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and smash that thumbs up. It really goes a long way to helping out the channel. there she is, ready to go. You know, I wasn't a big fan of the green at first. It was a little lighter than I was expecting, but it's starting to grow on me now. I am, however, excited to get out there and try the new front suspension. Can't wait. But before I do, I have to slap on some proper tires. This year I'm going with the Midas EO7 Pluses. Last year, on my 2020, I had the EO9s, and they were good, but this year, I'm gonna try something different. I'm also gonna be putting on the Rally Raid bash plate and the Scorpion exhaust pipe. Now it's time to get it outside and see what she sounds like. Take a good look at it in the light. Let's do a quick sound test with the stock pipe. Doesn't sound too bad, but it's just a little bit quiet. And I know the Scorpion opens it up real nice. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button or click up here to check out the next video. This has been my unboxing and assembly of the 2022 Honda CB500X. Ride safe.